In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Airtable in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to back up your data or transfer it to another platform, exporting your Airtable data as a CSV file is a straightforward process. So let's get started. Firstly, what you'll need to do is head over to Airtable's website. You can easily find it by typing airtable.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign in to access your projects. Click on the Sign In button, typically located at the upper right corner of the page. Input your credentials and you'll be swiftly directed to your Airtable home. Once you're on the Airtable home screen, your next task is to navigate to the base that contains the data you want to export. You'll see a list of all the bases you have access to. Bases are essentially the containers for all your Airtable projects, so identifying the right one is crucial. Click on the base you need and it will open up, showing the various views and tables you've set up inside it. Now within your chosen base, direct your attention to the view panel, typically on the left side of the screen. You'll most likely have several types of views such as Kanban, Calendar, or Gallery, but for exporting purposes you'll need to select the grid view. This view displays your data in a spreadsheet-like format, which is ideal for CSV exportation. Once you've confirmed that you're in the grid view, it's a good idea to scan through your data to ensure everything looks correct and is ready for export. All set? Great. Now, look to the menu options towards the top of the screen. Somewhere there you should see an option titled Download CSV. Clicking on that will initiate the export process. Your data will begin downloading as a CSV file, which is a universally accepted format for data storage and sharing. CSV files can be easily opened with spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or any other application that supports this format. This makes analyzing, sharing, or importing your data into other applications super convenient. And there you have it, a quick, efficient way to export your Airtable data. Remember, regular exports not only help you keep a backup, but also give you flexibility in how and where you utilize your data outside of Airtable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Until next time, happy organizing.